While AI has made tremendous progress in recent years, there are still several things that AI cannot do. Here are some examples. Creativity and originality. True creativity. While AI can generate music, art, and literature, it is still limited by its programming and data. Original ideas. AI can combine existing ideas in new ways, but it cannot come up with completely original ideas. Emotional intelligence. Emotional understanding. AI can recognize and respond to emotions, but it does not truly understand emotions like humans do. Empathy. AI can simulate empathy, but it does not truly experience emotions. Common sense. Real world experience. AI lacks real world experience and common sense, which can lead to misinterpretations and mistakes. Practical judgment. AI can analyze data, but it often lacks practical judgment and the ability to make decisions in complex, real world situations. Human judgment. Moral judgment. AI can recognize moral principles, but it cannot make moral judgments like humans do. Ethical decision making. AI can analyze data and provide recommendations, but it cannot make ethical decisions like humans do. Self awareness. Self awareness. AI is not self aware and does not have a sense of its own existence or identity. Consciousness. AI is not conscious and does not have the ability to experience the world in the same way that humans do. Social interactions. Deep social understanding. AI can recognize social cues, but it does not truly understand social dynamics and relationships. Human relationships. AI can simulate human like relationships, but it does not truly experience emotions or empathy. Physical abilities. Physical interactions. AI can interact with the physical world through robots and other devices, but it does not have a physical body. Sensory experiences. AI can simulate sensory experiences, but it does not truly experience the world through sensors like sight, sound, and touch. Here are some of the key limitations of AI. Technical limitations. Data quality and availability. AI algorithms require high quality and relevant data to learn and make accurate predictions. Computational power. Training complex AI models requires significant computational power, which can be a limitation for some organizations. Algorithmic biases. AI algorithms can perpetuate existing biases and discriminatory practices if they are trained on biased data. Explainability and transparency. Many AI algorithms are difficult to interpret and understand, making it challenging to explain their decisions. Robustness and adversarial attacks. AI models can be vulnerable to adversarial attacks, which can compromise their performance and reliability. Cognitive limitations. Lack of common sense. AI systems often lack common sense and real-world experience, which can lead to misinterpretations and mistakes. Limited domain knowledge. AI models are typically trained on specific domains or tasks and may not generalize well to other areas. Inability to reason abstractly. AI systems struggle with abstract reasoning and may not be able to understand complex concepts or nuances. Lack of emotional intelligence. AI systems do not possess emotional intelligence and may not be able to understand or respond to emotional cues. Inability to learn from experience. AI systems may not be able to learn from experience or adapt to new situations in the same way that humans do. Social limitations. Job displacement. The increasing use of AI and automation may lead to job displacement and social unrest. Bias and discrimination. AI systems can perpetuate existing biases and discriminatory practices, which can have negative social consequences. Lack of transparency and accountability. AI systems can be difficult to understand and interpret, which can make it challenging to hold them accountable for their decisions. Dependence on data. AI systems are dependent on data, which can be a limitation in situations where data is scarce or unreliable. Cybersecurity risks. AI systems can be vulnerable to cybersecurity risks, which can compromise their performance and reliability. Ethical limitations. Value alignment. AI systems may not align with human values and ethics, which can lead to negative consequences. Lack of human judgment. AI systems may not be able to exercise human judgment or compassion, which can lead to negative consequences. Bias and fairness. AI systems can perpetuate existing biases and discriminatory practices, which can have negative consequences. Transparency and explainability. AI systems can be difficult to understand and interpret, which can make it challenging to explain their decisions. Accountability and responsibility. AI systems can raise questions about accountability and responsibility, particularly in situations where they make decisions that have negative consequences.